Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I don't know about you, but steak knives seems to disappear in our home all the time, and you can really never have enough of really good quality steak knives. Let me introduce you to this beautiful set from WALLOPTON. I really think that they are so pretty and they work wonderfully in whatever we've been using them for. This is a gorgeous set of 6 steak knives. You can see they have those beautiful wooden handles and a nice stainless steel at the end. The knives are really sharp and easy to use. We found that just using them in every day, whether it comes to meat or cutting up our vegetables at dinner, we've just really been able to use the knives and get the best benefit from them. I also appreciate that they're very easy to clean. I do always clean my steak knives in the kitchen sink rather than the dishwasher because they'll last longer. But honestly, that nice quality wood, it definitely has a glaze over it, so I don't feel like the knives are going to dry out over time. I like that they included a beautiful gift box for them, so these would make a great gift as well. But our family, as I mentioned, we go through steak knives like crazy, and I really like having good quality steak knives. These definitely fit the bill because they're great at cutting up and they're great for using in everyday dinner. It's nice to enjoy your dinner, having all of the tools and utensils that you need, and that's definitely where you're going to get from these steak knives. But that's just my point of view.